When I heard about financial markets trading, I was eager to share the opportunity with a group of friends I was growing up together with. But guess what? They didn't take an action, but I did. Alright, I invested my time, money into learning about financial markets trading, and fast forward to this time, I've been able to do huge withdrawals with proprietary trading. It's even easy to make money trading these days using proprietary firms. Okay, so today I'm going to share the same opportunity I shared with them a few years ago, and they didn't take an action, but I believe you are going to take an action today. All right, so the first is to the category of traders who are unaware about proprietary firms and you don't have a template that works for cashing out from prop firms. Then I'm going to introduce you to this course, Financial Freedom Through Prop Trading, and we are going to take you through the exact template for cashing out from prop firms. All right, just click the link in my bio, register and get started with this course, Financial Freedom Through Prop Trading, and your life is going to experience a paradigm shift. All right, then the next category of people are traders who have been trading but they lack funding. They don't have the adequate funding to make money appropriately. Then I will introduce you to consummate traders. All you need to do is to click the link also in my bio and then get yourself registered with consummate traders using the link in the description of this video. And also, if you use the coupon code in the description of this video, you are going to get about 5% discount for every account you purchase with consummate traders. So you can get a $5,000 account and up to $1 million in funding. It depends on your financial goal for the year.